So we're here today with George from DermoCosmetica, who's the Managing Director. We're going to talk about a couple of new products that are on the market. The first one is the Retriderm. Can you tell us a little bit about it, George?
Sure. Retriderm is one of the hot topicals that's just been released. It's a vitamin A. It's a pure form of retinol, actually in a patented formula, which makes it a lot more bioavailable and a lot more effective than your typical retinol products in the market. Its beauty is that it's a lot more pleasant on the skin and has a lot less reactions than other types of vitamin A. So compliance and acceptability is great.
So the bioavailability is beneficial. Why? Because it makes it more readily available.
Yeah, absolutely. It penetrates better, being an aqueous suspension as opposed to a liquid soluble suspension. It's delivered deeper into the skin, and it's converted a lot more efficiently to retinoic acid. So it gets there quicker, and it's just lovely on the skin. You really got to try it. It's a lovely serum.
Right. And you can only buy it through a practitioner. It's not available in the shops or
No.
through a practitioner.
No. All our products are actually sold through clinics, medical clinics, plastic surgeons, dermatologists, cosmetic physicians.
Okay, great. All right. And the other product I want to talk about is a really exciting one that I love. It's called DNA Repair. Can you tell our viewers about that?
The DNA Repair, well, it's once again our other hot topical for this meeting. It's really the smart cream, I call it, because it gets to the cellular level and actually repairs damaged cells, the internal, your DNA in your cells, by taking the bad bits out and repairing them and releasing new cells that actually are good, normal. It comes in two different presentations. An antioxidant serum for the day and a beautiful anti-glycation cream. So basically this range is the next level of treating photo damage, melasma, and it's like your spell check when you're doing you're printing something. You press spell check, it repairs all the incorrect mistakes, all that sort of stuff, and it produces a nice clean document.
It's like an eraser for the skin.
Exactly.
Right. Have we got one?
We do.
Great, thank you. Great. So that's both of them?
Yeah, so it comes in two presentations, one which is the antioxidant, one which is the antioxidant serum, beautiful bottle, and also an anti-glycation cream.
Right, and what's good about this one here is something you can't see, and it's really easy to use, so there's no infection or bacteria being spread because you just press it once. It will release the blue cream and use it, so you've got your application amount as well, so no wastage as well. Great. Well, thanks. Anything else about that one there?
No. It's you've got to try it.
All right. So if you are from these products, if you just you can either drop us an email at info@plasticsurgeryhub.com.au. We'll let you know who supplies one, or otherwise just click on the Find a Clinic button at the bottom, and we'll let you know. Thanks very much. Thanks, George.
Thank you.